Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching final part of the subseries C Sharp Getting Drive Information. In this video, when user clicks any of these list item, we will retrieve the drive information and display that here in this section. These are all the slides from previous parts. In the last video, we implemented the Get Drives button click. So, whenever user changes the selection here, we will land into selected index changed, and here if you see we have lsd drive dot selected item. Here lsd drive is the control name. Here this is the lsd drive selected item. It will give the index of the selected item, and we are converting that as a string. Here lsd drive, it is not selected index, it is a selected item, so it will give the d slash, and we will be having that as a string here. After that we are constructing the drive info. Suppose here for example we will be constructing it like this by providing the drive letter D colon. We are constructing the drive info, and we have the drive info now. Then from drive we are getting the drive type, so that's the property. Then we are making use of toString, and we are directly assigning that here. So there are a variety of drive type. Say for example network map, removable drive, fixed drive, all those stuff. Here all these are logical drive, so that's why here we will get a fixed for all this. But if you have any removable media, you can check that with your testing. Next, from drive we are accessing the property available free space, and this available free space will come in bytes. So from byte we are dividing it by 1024, byte to kilobyte, kilobyte to megabyte, megabyte to gigabyte. So that's how here you are getting available space in terms of GB, gigabytes. Similarly, here we are accessing the total size. So available free space and total size. So all this stuff we already saw in the basic slide. In the very first video we saw about it. So here also we are converting it to the GB. Then we are storing that in a long variable total size. Then for available space, here we are updating the available space. Whatever number we got here, we are updating that, and we are suffixing it with a GB. Then for total space, we are giving the total size GB. So these two we updated here. Now we should go to the progress bar. Here if you see PROG drive, that's the name we gave to this progress bar control. Minimum we are setting it as 0, maximum we are setting it as 100. So here we are setting the progress bar minimum and maximum. Minimum we are setting it here as 0 and maximum 100. That means we need to convert our available and total space in terms of percentage. So here we are calculating the occupied. So from total size we are negating the available space, available free space, and we are having this as occupied. Then we are representing this in terms of percentage. So occupied divided by total size. So for example, if total size is 200 GB and occupied is 200 GB, that means 100% we will be getting. Alright, so if it is just 100, then we will be getting 0.5, and when you multiply it you will get 50%. So the progress bar is from 0% to 100%. That's what we set it using the minimum and maximum. Now here we calculated the percentage of occupied. So this percentage is for occupied percent, we can say. Then here we are accessing the value property of the progress bar. Then we assign this percent to the calculated percentage to the progress bar. So the progress bar will usually show how much progress is completed, but here we are using it to show what is the occupied space and how much free is available. And in the meantime, it will give the visual representation of almost some 20% of space is free on the drive. Alright, that's all here. We will go ahead with the demo now. So now we have to handle the selection change the event of this list box. So selected index changed, or we can even use the selected value changed, but here we will go ahead with the selected index changed. So since the code was already explained in the PowerPoint slide, I am simply pasting that here. This piece of code is available in the video description. So to reduce the video length, I am avoiding the typing and pasting the content. If you need, you can type the code, or you can also do the pasting and you can walk through the code and understand it. Alright, now let's run this. So first we need to get the drives. Then if you see C drive, it shows available space is 12 GB. F drive, it is 95 GB. You can also use up or down arrow key to go through the drive information. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.